Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'm doing an extreme clean with me, and I did multiple parts of my house. I did my master bedroom, my vanity room, I tackled my kitchen, I cleaned my Nespresso finally, and I also went outside to my backyard and did a little bit of cleaning there. So I hope this video gets you guys motivated and to get up and get things done. So let's get started.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends.
Alright guys, so first up is my master bedroom. That's actually my Wade blanket. I never thought I would like it, and now I really can't sleep without it. So if you haven't tried a Wade blanket before, I highly recommend it.
Talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. Like in the movies with a happy end, yeah. But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low.
Also, don't let these cute dogs fool you. After I clean anything, they're usually messing it up. They're being so good today.
So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown.
This next room is my vanity room. I guess that's what you call it. It's just another spare bedroom. We have 3 bedrooms in our house, so we just made this into like a makeup center for me. It is extremely dirty today, so I really needed to clean everything and get it done.
Mirrors are lying and pictures can be fake. I know you better than anyone else. Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you are.
So I got that back brace on Amazon, and it's really supposed to help with your posture. So sometimes I wear it when I'm cleaning and I wear it when I'm sitting down. I need to wear it more, I think, for it to work. You're supposed to wear it a lot. It hurts sometimes, so I have it on for some of the video and then I took it off for the rest of it.
Learn to save weight, you're truly special, no matter what they say. When life is cruel, that's every night to me. I think of you, is that so hard to see? Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. I didn't come here to save you.
At some point this morning while I was blow drying my hair, I must have spilled my iced coffee all over the place. So I had to really clean my carpet out and vacuum it. I got that cleaner at the dollar store, I think, and it works pretty well. It gets the job done at least.
It's all you need to be everything you want to be, and all that love is standing right here.
I swear that Allison was just watching me clean that bed and vacuum it, and she was just waiting for the right time to jump up and lay down like it's her little kingdom over here.
You'll be everything you want to be, all the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. One love, that's all you need. I think we need each other. All the love you'll ever need is waiting for you. You still wonder, and you still wonder, and you still wonder.
Does anyone else get super obsessive about their throw pillows? I feel like it took me forever to try to get the right placement for these pillows. I must have changed them and looked at them for at least 10 minutes and changed them like 8 times.
Train and move around, been gone for a while now. Set free from your shackles and your chains. One down, one to go. What's
So this brush I'm using is like a lint brush, an old school lint brush from back in the day. And instead of using that little rolly lint brush that the millennials use now, I use this one because it's super convenient and it works better than the roly-poly lint brush or whatever you call it. So that's just what I do.
your heart is being trapped in your fences? Baby, can't you see that you had better come to your baby, can't you see that you had better.
So these headbands, I actually have matching bandanas for each of my dogs. Do not make fun of me, they're really cute.
What does it take? You're safe in your shelter. Run away.
Also, that candle fireside from Bath & Body Works is my absolute favorite, and I was about to throw it out and I ran out of room to put my mascara, so I just put it in that little candle holder.
One to go. What's left? You don't know. The heart knows what the heart wants. So who are you to say no? 'Cause you had better come to your senses. Open your eyes, missing it out. Your heart is being trapped in your fences. Baby, can't you see that you had better come to your baby, can't you see that you had better come to your baby, can't you see that you had better come to your.
We're doing a lot of work to our backyard. We just recently moved into this house. The house was built in 1932. So as they were digging up a lot of our dirt and moving it over, they found that glass bottle, which is so cool. So I'm gonna use it for those flowers over there. But they found a glass bottle. What else can you find?
You don't know. You had better come to your senses. Open your eyes, missing it out. 'Cause you had better come to your senses. Open your eyes, missing it out. Your heart is being trapped in your fences. Baby, can't you see that you had better come to your senses, baby, can't you see?
This is probably my favorite item I've ever bought in my entire life. I love the Nespresso. I'm obsessed with coffee. I would definitely recommend getting an espresso if you're a coffee lover.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
I also filmed a what's for dinner video of Philly cheesesteaks, so don't forget to check that out if you're into that thing. I promise I did not just clean my kitchen just to film that video. It really needed to be cleaned. And here's that little glass bottle again.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope this gave you some motivation to get things done. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, it would really mean a lot to me if you did subscribe. That way we can hang out some more. And if any of you want to play 7 Up, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. 7 Up. Have a great day, guys.